Hello, welcome to class this month, Seeing Double. So this month's theme is all about the double leg stretch, aka the double leg pull. It's the exercise that my teacher taught me is the Pilates exercise in everything. And so we're going to do it at the beginning, just so you know which exercise we're talking about. It's from the mat. And then we're going to do all these exercises and we're going to see how either it helps us with our double leg stretch or how our double leg stretch helps it. Super fun, right? So let's do our double leg stretch. You can choose to do your mat work on the longer part of the mat or on the shorter part. I'm going to do the shorter part because it's a little easier for me, setup wise, not in exercise wise. So bring your knees into your chest, heels together, toes apart, and then pull your elbows wide from your back and not your biceps. Reach your arms and legs away and then circle your arms around and pull in. And again, reach and circle and reach and in and out. So this is your double leg stretch. You could do 2 pulls when you come in. Keep your chest up. What's nice about the Wunda chair, we'll do 3 more, is that if your chest drops below your chair, you know you're losing your upper body, right? Last time. Good. Amazing. So, all right, so here we go. We're going to now come on for our footwork, heels together, toes apart, and we'll end up lying back down. So you should have one top, one bottom spring. You can have your arms up today if you want for our double leg stretch theme. Push the legs away, pull it in. So when I see people do the double leg stretch, I often just see the leg go out and bend in, but like a knee exercise. How can you feel the muscles around your hamstrings push this pedal away so that you can push your legs away in your double leg stretch? Oh yeah, we're going to see how that works itself out. Don't worry, we're not going to do 1,000 double leg stretch today. We are going to see double quite often. Come parallel. So even though your legs are not parallel in your double leg stretch, doesn't mean you can't learn that inner thigh connection that parallel gives us. So take your time to really connect that midline together here and continue to work that when your legs leave your body, they leave from the back side. And then come onto your heels and go. Push and reach those heels away. Lift your center up. Reach those heels away. Lift your center up. 3, 2, 1, lie back onto your back. If you want to just try the short side of your mat first for a second here, we're just going to do 5. Ready? Double leg stretch. Reach those legs away. Are you feeling that footwork? How it supports those legs reaching away? Boom. Yeah. Last one. I can't count and I got really excited about it. All right, come on down. There we go. So the closer you're to the chair, easier. Ideally, you're about 1 foot distance away. Place your foot on the pedal, slightly turned out like it is for your double leg stretch. Arms can be behind your head. I am going to reach mine up from my back so I can practice that double leg stretch feeling. And you're going to go down and up 5 times. And just feel how the leg that you're staying on is in its turnout and it's reaching. That's what it should feel like when you fully reach your leg out in that double leg stretch. And then push the pedal down. If you need to put your hands onto the pedal, I understand, onto the chair, I understand, but try to, if you feel safe and comfortable, pull that other leg up. Hands reaching. For me, I'm going to put them behind my head because I have a ceiling there. And we're going to go into our going up front 5 times. I know. Pretty early on, but you have already practiced how your legs reach away from you. And this is just a single leg version of your double leg stretch. Now, round forward, place both feet onto the pedal. See how your arms are by your ears? So the pull-ups, we tend to lean forward, but that's the same as letting your chest drop in your double leg stretch. So if you don't think you can be trusted in this exercise, call someone who lives in your household over. Have them stand close to the chair. And then when you come up for your pull-ups, don't touch them. So lift up the waist, reach down through the feet. The pedal may or may not lift because you're not leaning forward anymore. And then as you lower the pedal, push the pedal away and lift your upper ribs up. So this area here is going up the whole time. This area here is going down, reaching down the whole time. And the spring will probably move in between. So we're standing. We never get light on our feet or light on our hands. Lifting those ribs up. Every time you bend your knees in, I want you to feel in your double leg stretch, not this exercise. I want you to feel like it's coming from these muscles right here that pull the pedal all the way up. And then step your left foot back to the floor. We're still on that right leg. Don't worry. I have a goal to not forget the order that we did this in. So Achilles stretch right here. So your whole body, your whole spine, tailbone to head is in your double leg stretch flexion as we point and flex this foot. The point and flex for the Achilles stretch, yes, it stretches your Achilles, but really it's strengthening that hamstring glute connection. Woo! 3 more. I have the shakes all in here. 2. And 1. Push the pedal back down. Come back up with your left foot. Again, you can have your hands on the chair if you need it for safety. And then mountain climber. You might stay here in the prep. Guess what? Double leg stretch makes this exercise happen. So far, everything we've done is really benefiting our double leg stretch. Now we're going to see how our double leg stretch benefits something. So here you go. Pump the pedal. Your spine is in that double leg stretch flexion. You're standing in the back of your legs. Your arms are going to reach from your back and they're going to lift your spine up. And so we're going to go past the double leg stretch into a tall back here. But when we go to close the spring, keep pumping, we're going to pump ourselves into our double leg stretch shape. So as you pull that knee in, the same way you pull your knees in for your double leg stretch, you round your spine. And so then we get to step down and start all over. So the whole goal was that you don't fall down into your mountain climber, that you pull yourself in, like you pull yourself in for the double leg stretch, like you felt in your pull-ups. Don't worry, you had a second chance to feel that. So here we go. Hands up or behind your head. Feet are slightly turned out like they are in the double leg stretch. Push the pedal down and up. Feel the backs of your legs really reaching. Feel your fast connection. This leg is doing the straight leg double leg stretch. This leg is doing the bent one. That means your center is lifting, right? Then press the pedal down. If you need to put your hands down for safety, please do. Otherwise, that leg pulls up like you're doing your double leg stretch. And then I'm going to put my hands behind my head. You do what you did on the first side for your going up front. You can always do your going up front with your chair near a wall, by the way. And instead of grabbing some friend to be the barrier for your pull-ups, that could be your wall. Place both feet down. Pull-ups again. So I want you to think of the lift of the pedal as being you pulling everything together for your double leg stretch. So round your spine and lift. Reach those legs, hugging those outer hips together. We're not riding the spring up and down. Last 2. Arms are reaching from your back. Last 1. Good. The right foot comes back down to the floor and we move into our Achilles stretch. So place that point and flex that left foot. Feel your whole spine in your double leg stretch flexion. The leg that is reaching out is doing the straight leg version. The knee that is bent is pulling into you. So we're not just letting this pedal push our foot around, right? We are standing in this pedal. Woo! All right. So, mountain climber. Ready? Push the pedal down. You can put your hands already onto the chair for safety or come all the way up and then go into your prep position. So you might stay here with your fingertips touching the chair, reaching past it, and then you pump.